Well, hey there, high vibe leaders. I'm so excited to share this 10-minute how to create an affirmation card deck, literally in 10 minutes. And what we're going to go through today is if you love a good card deck as much as I love a good card deck, then you are going to be super pumped about this 10-minute mini training on how you can create a digital version of a card deck for yourself right now. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So let me share screen and we will get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is decide what kind of affirmations that you're going to use. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Kim, and what I do is I help coaches, course creators, and entrepreneurs write and publish a book that they can use as a marketing tool to grow their business. So what I love to do when I'm starting every one of my book coaching classes is lead the start of the class with an inspirational meditation. And then I pull a quote from my very own author affirmation card deck. So I'm going to show you how I would create one of those right now. So think about while I'm going through this, what kind of an affirmation card deck you want to create. Maybe it's for a Motivation Monday. Maybe it's to lead off a course or a class that you're going to be teaching. Maybe it's a card deck to just inspire your students or your clients to keep going when their limiting beliefs might pop up. Whatever it is, whatever kind of card deck you want to create, it's going to be super and easy using this process. So in case you don't already have your affirmations ready to go, which I had been collecting affirmations for a long time, right? I have them in my book. Every time I think of one, I was going to create an I am card deck. I actually started this list back in 2020, and it was just taking me a long time to get it out of my book, out of my head, and into reality. So this is the fast and easy way to do it though, right? So everybody's heard of ChatGPT. If you haven't and you're not using it, this is how we're going to do it really quickly and easily. So you're going to start with ChatGPT, and you're going to start with the following prompt. Because I'm writing one for my authors, I'm going to say, write 30 author affirmations for entrepreneurs who are writing a nonfiction book to inspire them to keep going and keep motivated. So just alter this prompt for whatever it is for your students, right? And I'll provide some instructions in the school community for exactly how to do this step-by-step later. But you're going to start with your prompt to ask ChatGPT to help you come up with some inspirational affirmations. So let's go with that. And quicker than you can say hocus pocus, abracadabra, up comes ChatGPT with the 30 affirmations. So in the real world, you would, of course, go through these affirmations, make sure they sound like you, make sure they're great, you love them, right? You'd kind of maybe go through some editing. For the purpose of today, I'm just going to grab them. I'm going to show you how to do the next step. And actually, while it's doing that, add this to your prompt as well. You don't want it to have the little quotations. Okay, so I'm going to get it to rewrite the list without quotations, and I'll show you why in a second. While we're doing that, I'm going to open up Google Sheets, because Google Sheets is where you're going to want to do your next step. So you're going to take a blank, untitled Google spreadsheet. I'm going to call it my 30 author affirmations. And I'm going to start at cell number 2. And I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, who's almost finished doing its thing, which is fabulous. And I'm going to go and copy and paste all of these 30 inspirational quotes. I'm not going to use copy paste from ChatGPT. It doesn't work if you do that. What you're going to need to do is start from the top and highlight them all. So you're going to highlight all 30 of your quotes. Okay. Control copy. You're going to go over to your 30 affirmations, and starting at cell number 2, you are going to paste them into Google Sheets. Then you're going to export this as a CSV file. So you're going to go download, comma separated values, and bada bing, bada boom, it has downloaded and done that into my computer. I know where my downloads go. You'll have to know where your downloads go in your computer, but mine go to this downloads folder. So I'm going to go to my downloads. I know it's there, 30 affirmation sheet. Good, perfect. And now I'm gonna go to Canva. And I'm gonna find a quote. I'm gonna go in, this is how I like to do it, but again, there's multiple other ways you can do it. Instagram quote. I'm going to use a post because I want to use one of those square Instagram posts, but you could go Instagram quote story. You can pick whatever template size you want. And for the purpose of doing this really quick and easy, you want to pick a quote template that's really simple. Okay, don't pick one with a lot of things that you're going to have to manipulate and change through if you want to do it fast and quick and easy. So for example, let's just pick that one. It was really simple and easy. I'm going to open this one up. Canva will give you, of course, a whole bunch of other ideas you can use, but for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to take a real simple, easy one. I'm going to customize the template. I'm going to rename it to my, whoopsies, daisy doodles. I'm going to go 30 author affirmations. I'm going to change this quickly, if you know how to use Canva, to my branding colors. I'm going to do a nice, my dark colored blue over here. This is advanced Canva. If you don't have your branding colors in, you can ask me about how to do that. And I'm going to turn this template into, you want to put all of your changes on the first template. The Real Kim Day, which is my handle on all my socials. So if I want somebody to find me, you want to have a way for them to find you. There's that. And also the dark, super easy again. I could do anything here, right? I don't know if I really like that. I think I might. Anyways, for the purpose of, you can fiddle around with your design. You get the picture, right? So I'm just going to leave it in the way it is. And then here's where the magic happens. Next thing you're going to go do is, now that you've got your template set up in your branding colors, how you want it to duplicate, you're going to go to apps. You're going to go and find the app called Bulk Create. And you're going to upload that CSV that we created from ChatGPT and Google Sheets. So I know where it is, right? It's in my downloads folder. I'm going to go grab it and upload it into Canva. And then what you need to do right here, you're going to see the instructions. Right click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. So you'll remember it says empty right here. That's important. That was cell number 1 in the Google Sheet. We want the first one to be empty, and I'll share with you why in a moment. But what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this data piece, which is where you want your quote to land, and you're going to go connect data. Then you're going to search for the data field. I want it to connect this empty data field to this piece of to this quote template. And then I'm going to hit the button called continue over here on the left. And I'm going to generate all 30 designs. And then now Canva does its magic. And bada bing, bada boom, faster again than you can say abracadabra. Your 30 designs are now made. And I don't have to send anything else to it. Look how beautiful they are. They're ready to go. So let's go to the last step, the step of how to turn it into a quote. So you're going to now go to the share button. You're going to go download. You're going to download as an MP4 video, all 30 pages, download. So Canva is going to do its thing. It's downloading all of your images. And while it's doing that, I want you to go over to this website called easygif.com. Okay. You're going to go and click on this button that says video to GIF. Then another menu pops out. You're going to go to the button called video speed. You're going to click there. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose that file that you just downloaded out of Canva. So choose your file. I'm going to choose where the heck is it? Work with me here. Downloads. Oh, there it is. Duh. Right in front of my face. There. You're going to grab the quote you just did. the MP4 file and you're going to open that into EasyGIF. Now, it doesn't pop the whole thing up. You have to just see bulk 130 author affirmations. You have to see that it's done it just in words. It doesn't put an image there, which the first time I used this, I was kind of confused. And now you want to go upload video. And we are about 30 seconds from being done, you guys. How exciting is this? So it uploads the video. Sorry, we're on Zoom, so it takes a couple of seconds. Sorry. Do dee do 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 dee do 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 do. Come on now. The hardest part is we're waiting for the tech to make the magic happen. Okay, so here's our quote up here. Now you'll see though that this MP4 video is 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. So the next step is we want to change the video speed by using this multiplier. So you need bigger the number, the higher or the faster it rolls. 30 is what I've found works the best. So I just use the multiplier 30. Trust me on this one. You're going to change the video speed. You'll see the little mouse dancing, which means it's working. And now you'll see that the output video should be around anywhere from between 5 and 8 seconds is good. So if it's 5 seconds, you're good. It means your thing is going to be scrolling fast enough that your viewer cannot read it. And that's it. Now that you know that you've got that, you're going to, last step, you want to convert this because it's still in MP4 format. You want to convert the video to a GIF, which it does. Convert with this big blue button. Convert. Did it do it? Oh yeah, now it's down here. You'll see it's in GIF format. Now you just save it. And presto, bingo, bango, in your downloads, you should now have the GIF right there. And your very last step, if you would choose to do it, would be to go to your favorite social media platform and go look at can't spell fast while I'm in stress mode. Look at the author affirmation card deck I just created in 10 minutes. Want to learn how? And I'm going to upload my GIF. Make sure to grab the GIF, open, and post.
Woohoo!
And that, my friends, is how you create an inspirational affirmation card deck for your clients, for your community, for your prospects in 10 minutes or less.